Planning to explore Brussels, but don't want to carry your bags around all day? RadicalStorage is the perfect solution, offering quick and safe luggage storage at trusted locations across the city. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a RadicalStorage point in Brussels, ensuring your bags are secure and fully insured. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses like cafes, shops, and hotels, giving you the peace of mind that your luggage is stored safely while you enjoy your visit. To avoid phishing sites, simply use the secure link provided in the video description to access RadicalStorage's official website. Once there, type Brussels into the search bar to view all available luggage storage points across the city. You can choose a location near popular tourist spots, transportation hubs, or central Brussels. Select your desired drop-off and pick-up times and proceed with the payment. RadicalStorage ensures secure online transactions, so you can book with confidence. After your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and instructions to the storage location. When you arrive, present your reference number to the staff, and they'll securely store your luggage. That's all it takes. Now you can explore Brussels worry-free, knowing your belongings are in safe hands. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.